Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your Apple ID is active on this iPad and signed in. Once done, make sure Wi-Fi is connected and date and time set to automatic so purchases validate. Next, check settings screen time to allow installing apps. Disable any blocking. If using a managed device, contact the admin. These prerequisites avoid common roadblocks and let you proceed immediately to open the App Store and begin browsing and installing apps. Open the App Store and tap Search. Type the exact app name to narrow results and avoid clones. When you find the app, tap Get or the price, then authenticate with Face ID, Touch ID, or your Apple ID password. This confirms the purchase or free download. Once the app starts, watch the progress indicator. Make sure downloads aren't paused by cellular data limits. If updating an existing app, go to the Updates or your Account section to manage version. After installation, open the app and sign in, granting permissions like notifications or location when prompted so features work. If the app won't download or stalls, reboot the iPad, then retry. That clears temporary network or cache issues. Make sure iPad OS is current and check Apple system status if downloads still fail. Sometimes the service is down. If problems persist, sign out of your Apple ID and sign back in. That refreshes your account credentials and often resolves purchase.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.